I'm going to try out these disposable poly gloves that I just got, and there's 600 pieces in this box, if you can believe it. Look at that. They're so thin that they can really pack a lot in there. These are one-time use, disposable, and they're very lightweight. They're BPA-free polyethylene gloves, and here's how they fit me. I was wondering how it would be because one size fits all, but they're fine. So I was just going to make some hamburgers with this ground beef and keep my hands clean. They don't hinder your dexterity in any way. You still make them just as fast and as good as I did with my bare hands. And now I won't have to have greasy hands. Just wanted to show you an example of a use for these. So, these are my hamburger patties. I'll go on and find something else to use them on. These gloves are great for food prep. I'm just going to roast some vegetables, so I need to cut these things up. And my hands will be dry and clean when I get done. I'm loving these gloves. Now I can just take the gloves off and throw them away. So handy. Those are just a couple of ways to use these gloves. Use them for cleaning or when repotting plants or anything you do that would make your hands dirty or that you want to keep sanitary, like food. I'd like to thank the brand for sending me this product to try so that I could make this video to show you. In my experience using them so far, these gloves are very lightweight and yet they are strong and they don't tear. Because they flare out at the bottom, they are very easy to remove. No matter how messy you get them, you don't have to tug each finger to loosen them, to try to get them off. Just grab the bottom and turn inside out, and they're off. If you'd like to try these gloves, just click on the link below.